Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Claude Fable 5 completely for free, and if you put in the work, you can get unlimited access. To start off, let's head over to this website, links down in the description. Make sure to use that exact link, because it gets you $10 instead of 5. So click the link, log into your account, preferably through Google, and use the one that already has your phone number linked. Otherwise, right after signing up, it's gonna ask you for a phone number. You can try using the one I left in the description, but it might already be burned out, so feel free to try others or just use your own, whatever you prefer. Once we're in, you'll see we've got $10 in our balance, and right away we're greeted with a notification about Fable 5. Click right here, select Fable 5, type in your prompt, add your files and all that good stuff. Another cool thing here is how easy it is to connect different skills. There's a dedicated search for them, plus system designs, instructions and MCPs. Now, to get unlimited access, you just need to click on your avatar, go to Referrals and copy your link. Then just share it with your friends, family or, your other personalities to stack up that unlimited access. Hopefully, this was helpful. Smash that like button and I'll keep these videos coming more often, as long as methods like this keep popping up, of course. Best of luck to everyone and peace out.